Caitlin, honey, you want to open up your gift? Okay, take out the paper. Oh, just dump it? That's one way. Here we go. There we go. Look. Caitlin, look. You gonna play with the paper? Whoa. Yeah.
Did you get a sweatshirt from Grandma and Grandpa? It has hearts on it.
Yeah.
There are hearts on there?
Very cool. You like the hearts? Yeah. You wanna open your card that Mommy and Daddy got you?
You like that?
Happy Valentine's Day!